This one's silenced. The one right next to this one has a floor passing beep, but this one doesn't. Interesting. There's a view. Unfortunately, it's locked, so we can't go out unless I waited for someone, but not much point in that. There's the controller. P2.
P1, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm just filming for a project.
Okay, no, please don't let me interrupt.
No, don't. I'm sorry. Yeah. Well, take care now. You have a good day.
You too, dear. You too. Thanks.
Thank you. It's going down. Well, she was nice. All right, up to 1. Oh wow, they have a whole gill in there. This wide angle is so nice. I can get like the whole fucking panel in here and the door. All right.